Huh? I have a nice temperature. Yeah, so I'm feeling fine. Huh? Good. I know it's good. No. Have I annoyed you yet?
Yeah, it's fun though.
Yeah. I was aiming to be there.
Shut the fuck up.
Give me another noise to make. Something I'm really good at.
Giraffe.
Oh, I've tried that. The giraffes don't make any noise.
That's the whole point.
Can't be a giraffe.
At last.
Meow. 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 Ready?
What was that? A cat
Cat being one over.
The cat driving.
I'm gonna start laughing now. A cat being run over and then the car crashing.
Do you being run over?
No, okay, got that one. Ready?
Did you see a dog?
What?
Oh, you said it.
No, that was me getting hit by a car. You know, that was like to me.
Shouldn't have done that.
What else can I do? Meow. Meow.
Sharp on this one.
That was a cat being kicked. You know, like when you see in films when a cat gets kicked, it flies.
So, what happened to Sophie?
Oh.
Well, on the 7th of November 2005, she was admitted to the Royal Cornwall Hospital in Truro.
Does that mean?
Her milk teeth were removed by doctors who thought it was
Oh.
but when
No.
she realised the situation had
Meow. No.
was given feeding. On the 23rd of November, making good progress.
Oh, funny stuff, funny stuff. Look at me, another animal.
She died of starvation and dehydration. Her mother
I don't know what elephant makes. So hard. It's like, oh, what does an elephant do? Come on, Lucy, demonstrate. From my cat. Wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. I can't believe I cracked myself up. How embarrassing. Please don't ever get bored. Ow. Lucy, what does that eye mean? What does that eye mean on the telly? Yeah, on the top right hand corner. Oh, what? What a twat. Oh, what? No, it's gone now. You missed it.